I'm going to give you a quick once-over regarding the functions of a concrete mixer. This is a quad axle, dual steer, dual tandems. This is your water reserve. And this is how you tell how much water you have in the tank. It's basically an old diesel tank converted to hold just water to go into the barrel. You have your main line that comes from the water tank, goes along the side of the truck, and it splits at the back here. So you have your main control for the main hose that goes up into the barrel. Then you have a hose for the bottom, and you got another control for the hose that goes to the top, so you can wash out the hopper. You have your chutes, hydraulic to control height, and of course you got that brake there so you can rotate it from left to right if need be. Here's your additional chutes to put on to extend the length of the reach in the back if need be. The barrel's not turning right now because we have concrete that's ready to pour into a front end loader. They're doing manholes, as you see across the way there. You see those cones? That's for the manholes. Here's a control docking for the remote, which is on the back of the truck. This is an old Mack truck. Very rattly, very noisy. Probably 50-year-old technology, but it keeps running and running, although it's not very comfortable. It's a small cab, but it does the job. So they keep it in the fleet. I'll show you the remote back here. Climb up the ladder. Here's a remote. Now, the remote, that's for barrel direction, for spinning or unloading. That's for the speed of the barrel to rotate, slow or fast. And that's for the chute to go up or down, which is right now in the up position. You have a lock right here, so that there's the disc brake for it. So that locks it from rotating left to right. And then you have this one here above my thumb, which is the hopper. Right here is the hopper, and this is in the up position. And here's the concrete that's ready to come out. They want it really dry for what we're doing here. We're doing manhole covers. And that's a quick lowdown of concrete mixer. The barrel is always going, if you're in the driver's seat looking in your mirror, it looks like it's going up. And that's in a clockwise position. That's when it's mixing. If it's going down, that's when it's dumping out. And you can see these chines here that rotate to pull the product in or out. That's pretty much it.